Today I'm at Dúloch, Black Loch in Erigale, Argyll, and I'm on the hunt. But my weapon of choice is binoculars. I'm looking for a very shy creature that lives by water, chews on trees, and is most active at night. In Gaelic, we call it a beaver. In English, that's beaver. Beaver.
400 years ago, beaverin, beavers in plural, beaverin were hunted to extinction in Scotland for their fur and castoreum, an oil used to make medicine and perfume. Knapdale was chosen as the site for a beaver reintroduction to the wild. A population of beavers was released in 2009 and is now well established around here. Well, apparently.
I've yet to see a beaver, but there's no shortage of signs that they're here. Look at this creve, tree, creve. They gnaw them using their long, hard fiochlin teeth and use them to build their dams. And as well as dams, this, what looks like a pile of twigs and branches, is where the beavers call home, a lodge. And in Gaelic, that's a lodge.
Ollie Hemmings is a ranger here and has seen the beavers many times.
Well, Ollie, after 400 years of no beavers in Scotland, why reintroduce them?
Okay, for a number of reasons. We have a moral obligation to put them back because it was humans that eradicated them through hunting and trapping, and for the benefit to wildlife and ecology. So beavers create a habitat which is beneficial for many, many other species.
So I've heard people call them a keystone species. What does that word mean?
If you imagine a church window or a humpback bridge, they have a key stone, the top stone in the bridge that holds everything else together, makes that arch shape strong. And beavers, because they create a habitat that's beneficial to so many other species, that's why we call it a keystone.
So why do they actually cut down trees and then build these dams?
When they want to extend their feeding area, they'll often dam an outflow or a river or a stream and create a flooded area of pond like this. And that allows them to access more woodland and more plants and still have the safety of the water nearby because they're much better swimmers than they are runners.
Now, I've actually been having a look around here, so I've seen lots of evidence of these beavers, but I haven't actually seen one. Are you sure it's not just you going out with a little saw at night?
Yes, you'll be surprised at how many times we get asked that. But no, I promise there are beavers here. We do come and watch them. They're only out and about in the evening and the early morning.
I don't know about you, but it sounds like a pretty good life to me. A home on the Uisce in your lodge. And if you want to redecorate, just pull down a creve with your fiochlin, and it all helps your local community. Aye, I'd say the beavering, I've got it pretty good around here.